If you are looking for a property that gives everybody their own corner, their own space, but still feels like home, look no further. I'm going to show you just that in this tour. And honestly, here's a secret. This is actually one of my favorite floor plans of all the properties I've seen to date. So let's take a look. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brittany Stinney, realtor, proudly serving the DMV. And whether you're looking to move in the next 9 days or the next 90 days, go ahead and hit my contact button below, subscribe, and turn your notifications, because on this channel, I'm going to show you a little bit of everything here in the DMV, and I would love to help you get started with your home search. So let's get into this property today. Today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite properties by this builder, Caruso Homes. Absolutely stunning property that gives you plenty of space. And this model is located in Bowie, Maryland. So if you feel like you love this as much as I do, drop it in the comments and let me show you around to show you why I love this property. Behind me, I can't really show it to you now, but we have what is their sales center, but that would be your garage. And what I love about this floor plan, if you're looking for a first level laundry room area, like on that main level, this is perfect. So it's right off your kitchen area. So I can make it easy if you're like multitasking, cooking, and need to do the laundry right there, you have it there. And then you walk into your beautiful space of your kitchen area. Now, with this kitchen, you have like a welcome center right here. And then you also have a very large pantry. This is your microwave. It's like a convection oven microwave. It's really nice. I believe that's the microwave. 99.9% sure. But then you have your oven here. Beautiful appliances. You have a very large refrigerator and your beautiful island over here with not only seating space but tons of cabinetry. And you have your gas stove, hood, and just the overall aesthetic of this builder, which is Caruso Homes. But I love how they do all the finishes and their upgrades in their home. And as you can see back here, you have a great space that you can use as your eating space. And then you still have enough to put a table here if you still need more seating area. But as you can see from behind me, there's so much space in here. Like if you need to set that up as a homework space, or your dining room. I mean, you actually have another dining room, so you might not need that, but you can use it however you see fit. But the point is, you have space and plenty of it in this property. Okay, now we're going to come into right behind the kitchen. You have your family room. I personally love how they have it set up right now with their tray ceiling. And I'm gonna swing back around to the kitchen too to show you this accent wall that they have, which I think is adorable. But they had like a chalkboard wall there. You don't have to do that, but it's really nice. And then once you leave the kitchen, you come over here, a few short steps. They have a bar area right here. You probably could make that a wet bar if you would like. And then you walk right through here and you have beautiful dining room space. And then I'll take you across, of course, your foyer, because right across through your foyer in your grand entrance, you have the living room area. And the rooms just keep going, y'all. So you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Now, there's someone touring the property, so I'm not going to talk too loudly, but I'll show you a little bit more about that. But let me swing around too, so you just see how grand this foyer is. The stairs go up. And again, if you have a teenager who's going to prom anytime soon, or you just need to make an entrance when people come over, you got to make an entrance in this house. Okay, I'm talking quietly because someone's doing a tour, but I wanted to show you this additional bonus room, which is like the sunroom. It is so gorgeous. So they have the wood beams up at the top, and you just have plenty of space. So the flooring in here is tile. It's a little different than what you see over here, which is like the rug. But they have hardwood flooring right there, right? But I love this space because it just gives so much more dimension to the property. And then they also have double doors here. Now in this property, the model, but they don't have steps going outside. So they just have like the barricade up here so that no one falls out the door or anything like that. But you could easily have that added on. And then we will go down to the basement where you can see you do have access up the stairs to get to your backyard. But this sunroom, it's just a nice, peaceful, serene. If you like yoga, I feel like this would be a perfect spot for yoga because all the sunlight pouring in. So I don't know, what do you think? Would you do yoga here? Right, we are descending into your beautiful basement, and I absolutely love this basement, y'all. And here's a confession. I've seen this property once. It was maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and it has always remained in my mind, this model home, because the basement is massive. So as you can see behind me, you have a bathroom right here, a full bath. mind you, so that's great. And you come down here, and they have hardwood flooring here, but they have plenty of shelving space here. They kind of have it set up as like a bar area, which I think is phenomenal. You actually have two ways to get outside in this property. So here you have this door with the side steps that go up, and then you also have these sliding doors right here. Now, what I love about this basement, y'all, again, it's just space. It might not look like it in this moment, but I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So first, let's come around here. You have a room here that you can easily set up as a bedroom or a playroom or whatever you need, right? And again, remember, we just saw all that other space on the other side. So then you come over here and you still have room here. They have it set up like a game area, but you could easily put the TV here like they have, couches around this, like where this, what is that, a shuffleboard? I don't even know what kind of game that is. But you can set that up there where you have a couch and like this is your main TV area. And then you're gonna come around here and it keeps going. It just keeps going. So they have a massive wet bar here, right? And then you come over here and you have a theater room, right? They have this beautiful screen here. And you think it's over, but wait, there's more. Wait, let's take a second look at this bar. I mean, it's not even a small bar, it's like a large bar. But this is what I love. It is this additional room down here, right? So technically you have three additional bedrooms down here in this basement. Now, as a mom, as well as a wife, I love that because everybody can have their own corner. You can still have guests over. If you have friends over and you just want to close the door and not have junk everywhere, this is great. Like, I personally love this room because my husband is a gamer, like video games and all the game systems and all the things. I would put him in this room so fast and close the door. He can have his own man cave, man gaming room, set it up with all the colors and all the things he wants that I don't aesthetically love, but he could do that here. And then you could still have space to have everybody have their own space. The kids could still have their own playroom or learning room or whatever, but this basement just gives you so many options. And that's one of the reasons why I love this floor plan, but I'm gonna show you upstairs what my second reason is why I love this floor plan so much. All right, y'all, I'm gonna look down so I don't break any bones, but we're heading upstairs, and right off the stairs, as you can see, you have your master bedroom. But guess what? We're gonna say that for last. That's what I want to show you the most. Let's take a look right here. You have a beautiful bedroom that can easily serve as an additional bedroom, a guest bedroom, whatever you need. But I love this because you have a large closet, and then you also have this full bathroom. So ensuite bathroom in this bedroom right here. Tons of light streaming in. Absolutely amazing. A really nice feature in this property is you have staircase at that. So right now I'm on the top floor, right? And the staircase goes down. This is going to take you down to the kitchen, which is right where your laundry room is. So it makes it very easy just to take your laundry up the stairs. And then you also have the stairs here that lead down to that grand foyer area that I was talking about, right? And again, I know you keep peeking into the primary. Don't look at it yet. That's going to be last. But we're going to walk down. So we've already seen quite a few rooms, right? And let's walk into this room right here, where you again have a great amount of space here. This is probably a full, but you could easily fit a queen, maybe even a king. Oh, and this child, this is a model home, but if this were a child, this child is living large, right? Because they have a flat screen TV right there. And then you also have a nice walk-in closet. Now we're gonna swing over here, and what I love about this property is every room has access to a bathroom. Because this room, we just saw the room that had the ensuite bathroom. This bedroom then walks right into the Jack and Jill bathroom, where you have, your two dual sinks, and you have your shower right here with the bathtub and your toilet, of course. Gotta have a toilet in the bathroom, and then you just walk across, and you're in your now third bedroom that we've seen on this top level, and again with a massive closet. So everybody has their own space. Now, your kids, if you have kids in this room, they're sharing the bathroom. I mean, that's great, right? Everybody is fine. They can get up in the morning. It's en suite for both of them because, again, it's connecting their room. So now let's go take a look at the most beautiful primary bedroom you're going to see, at least today. But let me show you. Let's take a look. Here we are in reason number 2 why this is one of my favorite floor plans in Maryland. This primary bedroom is like its own apartment, y'all. It is your oasis after a long work day or dealing with the family or just dealing with just life. You can come here and be at peace. So you can see from behind me how large this part is, and they have beautiful tray ceiling and some decorative design up here. And then you walk over here and you have your first closet, which I'm not gonna lie, it's probably for the men. So behind me, again, just to show you from another angle. So we're in, like, you know, your sitting room, and they have a TV right here as well. But you can just see how beautiful like these built-ins are and the tray ceiling. And then so it's separate from your bedroom. So let's say someone's up watching television, they can just watch it on the side. And then you come in here and you have another large closet. You just saw that closet. And again, you have this large bedroom right here. And the room just keeps going. So this is like your own personal TV room or sitting room or lady lounge or whatever works for you, but it's all in your bedroom. And we haven't even seen the full scope of this bedroom. So let's take a look at the bathroom. So we're in your bathroom, right? And you see you have the double vanities here. And if I swing around, I'm trying to save a surprise at the end, but if you swing around this way, you have this beautiful shower and bathtub. Now, this is the really cool feature, and I would love to know in the comments what you would use this room for, but you have this separate room that nobody else has access to except for the primary bedroom. They have it set up as a gym. This could easily, you know, serve just as that, a yoga studio. If you have someone working from the home where they just want to be very close access to the bedroom, they can easily do that here as your own personal office. I mean, it could be your secret room. Honestly, your kids never need to know about it unless you let them. But the way they have it currently set up, let me come back out so you can see it, is that they have like these barn doors to have access to that room. But that is honestly my favorite feature of this property. I love the space in the basement, and I love that they have this room in the back that's connected to the primary bedroom. And again, this primary bedroom is like its own apartment. It is as luxurious as it comes.